everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Hello everyone, this is half fry eggs. Super tasty. Within 3 minutes, they are ready. And they are cooked with perfection. And I made it in sandwich grill. Anyone can make it. Only one ingredient you need, the egg. So good. Please try it. Best of all, this is quick and easy breakfast. Matter of fact, you can eat it any time of the day. You're getting late for your work. You don't have time on your hand. Put toast into the toaster, put the eggs into sandwich grill, leave it. Within 3 minutes, they are done. You are ready to go. And always, these come to the same perfection, same consistency all the time. So good. So without wasting any time, let's start it making half fry eggs in our sandwich grill. Another quick and easy recipe in sandwich grill. We're going to make half fry egg. Very easy and simple. Within 3 minutes, half fry eggs are ready. We need cooking spray. Spray it on the top and bottom. We're going to crack open the eggs. You can have 4 eggs. As you can see, it has started cooking already. And now we're going to close it. And within 3 minutes, they will be ready. It's exactly 3 minutes. And I'm going to open it. Look at our delicious. The egg fries are ready. Prior to serving, salt and black pepper. As you see, this is really easy to make. It's a good idea with the butter knife, just do it like one time. Look at these. Let me show you. This is a perfect half fry egg. This is what I like. Little bit running, not too much, just like this. And this is so easy to make, and please try it. And if you look at the bottom side, very nicely cooked. Let me show you this one. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking.